Hello guys, if you're watching this video, then welcome to Winnie's channel. Just click the subscribe button and also like the video. So today I'm here just to talk about how to solve the wind noise issue with GoPro 7 Black. So I recently started my channel, and my channel is about shooting videos of my daily rides on my bike and just posting them here, fusing them with other stuff. So got myself the GoPro 7 Black. I mean, I've done a couple of videos using this GoPro, and when it comes to the picture quality, it's got one of the best. I mean, I can't complain about the quality of the videos and even the picture that the GoPro 7 that shoot. But when it comes to the audio, oh man, it is very bad, especially when you are shooting videos in a windy environment, or like mine. Most of my videos are done on me riding my motorbike. So when I'm even going past like 30 miles per hour, all I hear is just the noise. Sometimes I can't even hear the sound of the bike, and sometimes even some of the videos feels like I'm actually riding in a hurricane. So I mean, obviously spending money on this quality thing, GoPro, and then having this issue, so just went online and tried how to troubleshoot it. I first put the GoPro in the waterproof housing, thinking that was going to solve it, but that didn't do anything. So I found something on Amazon. It's not only on Amazon, you can find it either on eBay, but I bought mine on Amazon, called the windshield cover or frame, and I think it's also got another name, the wind slayer. As you can see, they just a foam cover, just made from a thin foam, and I must say this has really helped. I mean, it's not perfect, but first the wind noise was about, let's say, about 95% of distracting the video, but now I think I get about probably, let's say, 15% of the wind noise on the video, which I mean it's a very good improvement. So as I said, it's just a tiny cover, and it just slip onto it. As I said, let me just put onto it, then you can see how the GoPro looks in the cover. Okay, so as you guys can see, so yeah, the GoPro, I've put my GoPro in the wind slayer, and it just literally just slips into it. Obviously, you put the GoPro into the wind slayer with the GoPro in the casing, so that you can mount whether on your helmet or on a GoPro stick, whatever you're using it for. And I said, it's not anything bulky. It doesn't ruin or doesn't distort the style of it. It still gives you that stylish look. If somebody doesn't come closer, they will not even see that you've got the GoPro in this cover. And yeah, you've still got access to the back of the camera. You get access to whether you're starting a video or taking pictures, and also you get access to the on and off button, also switching between modes. And I said, yeah, I mean, it's made a lot of difference to me. And if anyone is having similar issues, either can go on eBay, Amazon, or other platform, just search for windshield frame or windshield cover or wind slayer, and I paid mine for £5.99, and that was on Amazon, and with a next day delivery. And yeah, it's solved me lots of headache. I mean, spending lots of money, then realizing, oh man, now what should I do? But yeah, this thing actually helps. So if anyone is having similar issues, yeah, just yeah, get yourself one, try, also leave a comment, and let me know how it went for you. I said I'm going to put some of my videos before I had this the windshield or the wind slayer, and also some videos after I have put my GoPro in the wind slayer, and you can also even compare yourself. So yeah, I hope if anyone is watching, hopefully you can also have a solution to your problems. Just like share the video, I said, subscribe, and also leave a comment, and stay safe, guys.